Wash day shouldn't be a surprise every week. In this video, we'll show you exactly how to look at your calendar and plan a month of your natural hair in 15 minutes. I know I talk about simplifying your routine. This is exactly how to do that. You'll finally stop copying routines that do not fit your real life and start showing up like the version of yourself that is not stressed, not rushed, not hiding under a bonnet all week. And if you're new here, grab my free crash course. It walks you through the exact steps to simplify your routine, to build a style bank, and to reset your whole wash day with calm and with clarity. The link's in the description box below. Let's begin with the real problem. You are not struggling with your hair because you don't care. No, you care, which is excellent, but you're struggling because your routine and your real life are not in sync, do not match. Here's what that looks like. You save a style on social media that took someone 3 hours to do, but the video is only 8 minutes long. Then you try doing it after putting 2 babies to bed. Or you pick Sunday for your wash day every week, even though you've got church, you've got groceries, you've got back to school prep and back to work prep, and you say to yourself, I'll just twist it at night. But you are so exhausted by 9 p.m. you barely make it to your pillow. No need feeling bad, as this is not a character flaw. It's not. It's a planning mismatch, and we're going to correct that today. But you are choosing routines based on your ideal weeks, not based on your real weeks. So let's fix that in 15 minutes, literally. Here are the only 2 questions you need to answer each month. Set a reminder on your phone, answer these 2 questions. Number 1, how many wash days do I have this month? And number 2, what styles match each wash day's energy and schedule? That's it. Answer those 2 questions with honesty and consistency, and you'll never feel unprepared or bothered by your hair or wash day ever again. Let's walk through the steps. Step 1. Open your calendar, look at the whole month. Now ask, are there weekends where you're out of town, or are there weekends where your evenings are packed? Do you have early mornings that follow late nights? For example, say it is October, week 1 you've got a wedding. Week 2 is normal, everything's fine, but week 3 your kids start swimming lessons, and week 4 is school camp. Hypothetical October. In this month, you probably have 2 wash days max. So why are you planning a full wash, deep condition, twist out, protein treatment, do a steaming every week of the month when you only can afford 2? We need to be realistic. If you can only afford 2 wash days in a month, that's it. So write down, I have 2 wash days this month. Maybe week 1 and week 3 done. Now that you know exactly when you're washing your hair weeks, let's match the right energy to the right style. What do I mean? Because we sometimes feel tired, we're exhausted, we are overwhelmed, we're ill, right? Here's what to do. In 3 minutes, write down 2 things. A, 1 to 3 styles you can execute in your sleep. You know how they look, you like how they look, you have the products for those styles, you don't need to watch a tutorial to do them. Write that down. And then B, 1 style you can do when you or your family is not feeling too well and everything is just upside down. Preferably a style that will last a good few weeks, right? Don't just pick styles because they're cute, but because they work. They fit in that week. So pick a style that works when life presents you with hiccups, because life will do that. Okay, here's how to put this whole planning thing together in 15 minutes. Step 1. We've grabbed our planner, we've looked at our calendar, we've looked at the month ahead, we've gone, right, these are my wash days. Circle 2 wash days in this scenario. For each wash day, assign a style from your go-to list. Then decide the evolution of the style. So you can have twists in for the whole 2 weeks. Or you can wash your hair, install your twists, the twists become twist outs, the twist outs become a bun or a puff or an updo. Do you know what I mean? What is the cycle, the wash cycle? What does that look like? Define it immediately, right now, so that we're not confused next week. Oh, am I washing my hair? What do I do with my hair today? The decision is already made. Decide the style cycle, and then optional, write this down on a sticky note or print it out. Whatever you have to do, and stick it on the inside of your bathroom cabinet. That's your hair map for the whole month. No second guessing, no 10 p.m. panic. You've just built a proactive hair plan, and you don't need any new products. You don't need any tutorials. Now you watch tutorials for fun, or just because you enjoy them. You've done the whole thing. This is the kind of clarity your hair's been begging you for. No more scrolling and feeling behind and feeling like you need to try something else, a new product, a new style, a new technique, a new this. No more planning based on vibes and regret. You need a system, and you need one that works for your life so you can rest. So here's your next move. Try this method today and leave a comment below to let me know what your style plan is for the month. How many times are you washing? What are the styles? What do they look like? And grab the free email course if you haven't already. It will help you build the rest of your routine from the same exact calm, grounded place. You don't need another miracle product. You need clarity, you need structure, you need a hair plan that fits your busy life. Let's make calm your new normal, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.